What is incomplete dominance? I'm Mr. W from learn-biology.com, where we believe that interaction and feedback is what leads to deep, substantial learning. We're so sure of that that we provide a money-back guarantee that comes with your subscription. This is when the phenotype of the heterozygote is different from and usually intermediate between either of the homozygous phenotypes. Neither allele is dominant. So in this case, we have to use a different notation system. This is carnations, and C big R with a superscript represents the red flower color allele. C big W with a superscript represents the white flower color allele. So here's our P generation, C big R, crossed with C big W. The F1 generation, they're all hybrids, C big R, C big W, but they're pink. It's because 2 doses of gene expression, in other words, this is DNA that's coding for protein, and you need that much protein in order to produce that vibrant red color. If you just have one, then it's not enough to push the phenotype all the way to red, and you wind up with this intermediate phenotype. One dose can't produce sufficient pigment to create the red color. Let's see what happens when you do your F1 cross to produce the F2 generation. So we have a pink carnation, C big R, C big W, crossed with another pink carnation, C big R, C big W. What do you get in the offspring? You get one offspring that's red because it's C big R, one offspring that is white because it's C big W, and 2 that have the intermediate phenotype pink because they're going to be C big R, C big W, C big R, C big W. Want to learn more? Sign up for a free trial of the website that guarantees your AP Biology success, learn-biology.com, and watch this next video.